Hello friends, welcome to 5 Facts by Travel with Daksh. Today we are going to discuss about the Hoopoe Bird. 1. The Hoopoe Bird has played an important role in the folklore of many cultures throughout human history. It is mentioned in various religious books, Egyptian hieroglyphics, Greek plays, and Chinese texts. 2. In the Jewish tradition, the Hoopoe Bird led King Solomon to meet the Queen of Sheba. It is currently the national bird of Israel. 3. Hoopoes soak up the rays of sun by spreading out backwards along the ground. 4. Like a skunk, the hoopoe bird can emit truly disgusting chemicals to ward off threats. 5. Hoopoes inhabit pre-existing holes and crevices in vertical surfaces, whether natural or man-made.